Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get your terminated account back. Amazon opened my account of 7 months with payments, and I'll be showing you how I did it and how you can do yours. I opened it December last year and the account was closed January. I messaged Amazon to ask them for the reason why my account was closed, but they didn't really give me a reason. They're just trying to tell me that they've upheld their previous decision to close their accounts and stuff like that. A friend of mine gave me a template, so I just decided that okay, let me test it. Let me see if it's going to work, because when she used the template, her account of like 3 months was opened back and they paid her. So I just decided to test it for my own, because 7 months is a long time ago. I sent the message to them on July 25th and I was answered maybe like August, is it 5 or 6? Well, I'm going to be showing you the date so that you see that I'm not lying about this. But before then, let's quickly do something. So we'll be looking at the reason why Amazon terminates accounts. Reason why Amazon terminates accounts. We have number 1, use of the same device for 2 accounts, especially with the same browsing network. I don't even try to use the same device again with a different network, because I don't know how you'll be having 2 accounts. It's not even proper. Amazon doesn't allow 2 accounts. So if you're not having 2 accounts, you're not supposed to be using the same network or the same device. If you want to use the same device, use different network and 2 private browsers, because if you should search for your IP address on Google, you will notice that even if you use a different browser and incognito browsers, your IP address remains the same as long as an ion to the same network. Amazon can easily link track this network to those accounts, and it will be a matter of time before the account goes. So number 2 reason why Amazon terminate accounts: publishing before the release date of the original book. A lot of people are very guilty of this. They try publishing books before the release date. Publishing before the release date of the original book is risky. Most times, it causes your account to be closed because the contents you are putting in the books are not unique. So this clearly can lead to closure of your account. Once the customer complains about your book, maybe the complaint is getting too much, and they check your account out and they saw that you'll be doing so, and you'll be uploading content that are misleading customers or not unique, they close your account. Then number 3, trademark. Trademark is now very, very important. Checking out for trademarked titles is very important. I've already done content generation for a book last week before I remember that I didn't check for the trademark. So when I saw that it was trademarked, I dropped the book. I move on to the next one. So I'm going to be dropping a video on how to check trademark for your titles or keyword. Some people, they will see that a title or keyword is trademark, they will still go and create books on it. But let me tell you something, your KDP is your greatest asset, and the money in your KDP account is not yours until it reaches your account. If the money have not reached your account, it's not yours. So it's better for you to afford things that will terminate your account or keep to the rules. Then number 4, publishing of summary and hybrid books in all territories. Now, part of the rules of Amazon is, I remember then when I was doing summary, all my books, because they gave my account suspension, so all the books that was in that account was returned. My book was in all markets, like that should remove it from all markets and publish them and put them in only US marketplace. So the only marketplace that is okay for you to put your summary or hybrid books is US marketplace. That doesn't mean you're not going to make sense, because I can't even imagine the numbers of people that are in the US. And let's go straight to the Gmail Amazon sent me. So let's come to my Gmail. But before then, let me show you the message Amazon sent recently. Amazon sent this message telling me that thank you for your email concerning the status of accounts. So they opened my account. This message they sent me, I think is it on 8 on 7? Well, we will see now. So let me go straight to my Gmail and let's see. So this is my Gmail. On January 11, can you see the date? January 11, Amazon sent me a message telling me that my account was closed. During a recent audit of your account, we found content and activities that are in violation of your terms and conditions. Therefore, we are closing your account effective immediately. Example includes attempting to publish. Like, why would they say attempting? Well, that doesn't mean they should close their account, but I just let it go. Attempting to publish books that violate our content guidelines. As a part of the termination process, we close your Kdp account. You are no longer eligible to receive any outstanding royalties. So that's how they close my account. I sent a message to them. I told them that the message was sent in error to me, that blah 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 blah. I told them that I just opened the account, please can it be refilled. Then January 30 come again. Let me show you the date. This is January 30. Amazon sent me that thank you for your email concerning the status of your account. Upon further review, we are upholding our previous decision to close your account and remove all your books from sales on Amazon. So I just lock up. I carry my body, I lock up. So I just sent them this template recently on July 25. I sent them and they answered me with this. Yes, they answered me this, telling me that they've opened my account back. I was so surprised. And the most shocking thing is that they even sent it with payments. I wasn't expecting it because I already made some money in the account before it was closed. So I was shocked. They told me they sent money. Okay, they answered me again on August 7 that they've opened the account, and the same time, can you see my payments? This is Bella GP account. They paid. So for the templates that I use for Amazon to reinstate my account, so open the template inside my Telegram group. Click this video to join, and if I drop a new video, you always see the link of the new videos inside the Telegram group. So after using the templates, don't forget to share your testimonies and pay tithe. I'll be expecting your testimonies so soon. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel.